Centerville Regional Library, and I am here to tell you today about a fun cookbook that is perfect for all of you who love to make things from scratch, especially if you are curious about how to make butter from scratch, ketchup. What about your very own goldfish cracker snacks? Or maybe even some yummy chocolate hazelnut spread? That sounds wonderful. Well, all of those recipes and more are in the Complete DIY Cookbook for Young Chefs. Again, this is from America's Test Kitchen, and what I love about their books is they have beautiful pictures of the different recipes of what they're supposed to look like. They have information about how to do specific steps. They talk about all the basics plus the equipment that you'll need, and they have sections for everyday staples, snacks, sweets, drinks, and even dry mixes for those of you who want to make your very own pancake mixes, brownie mixes, and more. So, if you are a DIYer, this is definitely the cookbook for you. And for me, I love the combination of chocolate and raspberries. So, I think the raspberry chocolate jam in here is calling my name. Have fun DIYing! Bye!